A rooftop tower, flagstaff, or statue creates two useful vertical levels. The lower sight line reaches the base section, the upper sight line reaches the combined height. The 30-degree line reaches the top of the 10-meter building. The 45-degree line reaches the flagstaff top. Both triangles use the same baseline PA. The lower triangle contains a known vertical side, 10 meters. Tangent 30 determines the shared horizontal distance as 10√3 meters. The upper triangle's opposite side is 10 plus x, not x alone. At 45 degrees, that total height equals the horizontal distance 10√3. Subtract the 10-meter building from the total. The flagstaff is 10 times √3 minus 1 meters, approximately 7.32 meters. Ignore the names of the objects for a moment. Each problem has a lower known or unknown layer, an upper layer, one shared baseline, and two sight lines. A 20-meter building seen at 45 degrees is 20 meters away. The 60-degree line gives total height 20√3, so the transmission tower is 20 times √3 minus 1 meters. The upper line of sight does not begin at the building roof. It begins at P, so its opposite side is the entire height 10 plus x. Solve the total first, then subtract. A 1.6-meter statue stands on a pedestal. From one point, the pedestal top is at 45 degrees and the statue top at 60 degrees. Find h. The 45-degree equation gives d equals h. Substitution into the 60-degree equation gives h times √3 minus 1 equals 1.6. Rationalizing gives 0.8 times √3 plus 1 meters. If a 50-meter tower sees a building across the same gap with reciprocal elevation angles 60 and 30 degrees, the gap is 50 over √3 and the building height is 50/3 meters. Draw both triangles, solve the one containing a known height, reuse its baseline, find the total height from the upper line, and subtract the lower layer.